What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do a quick release install on Jenny. So let's get into it. Alright, so here we have everything we're going to need to install the quick release. I have the steering wheel, which this is an old steering wheel from my buddy Ivan. I will probably be replacing it soon, or at least cleaning it up a little bit, maybe putting some new material around the steering wheel so I can get rid of the dirty blue. But as you can see, the blue matches my car pretty well, so we're gonna keep that. Probably get a new horn button. But what we do have that's new is we have a new hub from NRG. We got that, and then this is gonna be for the horn and the steering wheel, or the airbag light, so we can get rid of that on the dash. So I'll show you guys how to do that as well. Let's get into it. Hey guys, quick interruption into the video. I wanted to go ahead and announce Boostbunnyco is officially live. You can go to www.boostbunnyco.com and find yourself some merch. Right here I have on the plain black t-shirt. This is our design. Jenny with the new livery that she's gonna be getting, my two kitties, the garage. We do have a couple other designs. We have hoodies, t-shirts, and we do plan on adding more onto the website, more designs coming soon. But go ahead and use the code BOOST10 to get 10% off your order. All purchases through the website will help on getting Jenny back up on the road and doing cool things like what we're gonna be doing in today's video. So make sure you guys go ahead, like this video, comment what designs you'd like to see for the Boostbunnyco website, subscribe, make sure you go buy some merch. Let's get back to the video. All right, first and foremost, to start this off, I do want to get Jenny out of the garage and into the sunlight so you guys have better lighting. So let's open up the trunk and plug in the battery, because we haven't turned this car on in a while, so this battery is probably dead. But I'm gonna go ahead, try to get it started, and I'll update you guys when it's started. All right, so as you guys can see, going into the car, it is a little bit of a mess. I did sell my sound system, so I'm putting all the regular stuff back in, but we'll ignore all that for right now. All we need is to get that car in neutral, and let's see if it starts up. First go. Let it prime. Wow. Oh, well, it started. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is, since we just turned on the car and backed it out, we're going to unplug the battery again, wait at least 5-10 minutes, then we'll come back into the car, and then we'll take off the airbag, and then the steering wheel, and then we'll start installing. All right, so you're gonna need a T40 bit. It's gonna have to be pretty long because it does have to go, where am I going? 1 second. All the way in there on both sides. You're looking for those 2 bolts. Once you have those 2 bolts out, this will come off, and then you're gonna want to unplug from right here. I'll show you how to do it in a second. All right, I couldn't do it with one hand, but basically just pull up and they'll come out of that, and then you have the ground right here that you got to take off as well. So now we're gonna go ahead and take this off. Make sure your wheel is straight at this point. It looks about straight. I'll double check. Now you're gonna need a 22. You don't want to back it all the way off. You want to give it a couple make sure the steering wheel is loose. Boom. So you don't smack yourself in the face. Make sure you keep the little washer that you guys are gonna have right there. Pull the steering wheel off. Keep those. So now we have the steering wheel off. Now we gotta take off this cover here to take off the clock spring. So not only do you have 1, 2, but you also have one more right there. All right, after you got the clock spring off, you'll have 3 plugs that you need to unplug. Your horn will be attaching to this one, and your airbag light fuse resistor things, whatever you want to call them, will go into that plug right there. Okay, so in the kit they give us a white wire, and the one that they give us is kind of crappy. It has like a little tip that you're supposed to stick in, but the tip breaks off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just butt connect the wires. So what you're looking for is this white plug. There is a brown and green wire. You want to go ahead, connect that there. I'll get that done real quick. Okay, so I realized that whole time my camera was recording in slow-mo, so I'm gonna go over everything I just did. White connector that comes with the hub. You are going to connect to this brown and green wire on the white connector. You're gonna run it up and through the top. Leave it a little bit loose so that it has room to move around while you're turning the wheel. So now you have your power and ground to your horn. I did ugga-dugga that down. Make sure you have your white dot facing directly up. And as for airbags, you put in these 2 fuses that they include right in there, just like that. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna hide all this back up in there. We'll put this all back together and power it on and see how it goes. Okay, so I had to go to the hardware store because I didn't have screws to put the quick release onto the hub, and I went to lock the door and I forgot my keys in the cup holder. Don't know where my spare key is, so I had to call AAA to come out and unlock the door for me. But I got hardware. Let me turn this around. Got the hardware, 10/32 by 3/4 inch. And all we got to do is put these 6 in and we can mount the wheel. Okay, now that that's on, put the wheel on, boom. Nice. I do want to get rid of this little round thing and just do the flat, because I think this looks kind of stupid, and then to try to honk the horn is going to be a little annoying. But yeah, we got it in. Okay, I got the car powered on. See? Works. Now if we try to power the car on, no airbag light, just, I'm pretty sure that's stability control from the clock spring being out. Guys, I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, buy some merch in the link down below. You could use code BOOST10 for 10% off your entire order. Have a good one. Bye.